Let's explore.
Yes, sir.
Eventually.
Alright, gang. About to go ahead and start busting down these packages. Gotta get that phone. Need it for that Hellcat Airbox. Y'all see later on in the video. Got the tube. Let's go ahead and bust that down. See what's in there. Air feed powered. Tube. Go with the Hellcat Airbox. That side. Of course. Got the main product. From Mopar. Hellcat Airbox. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? That's where that intake hole is gonna go. Right there. Last but not least, K&N Air Filter. K&N Air Filter. Doesn't look like a little square. It's a different shape on the inside of the box. Y'all see that later on in the video. It's a little extra. Let's see what we got in this little tiny box. Y'all see it? That gas, that brake, that gas and that brake. You're gonna throw them on there, simple install. Get that interior a little bit more spice. So I'll get back with y'all when we get outside. Alright guys, we back outside with it. Y'all see the challenge. Everything I'm gonna need right here. My gloves, K&N Air Filter, Hellcat Airbox. Got my tools, the AFE tube, Phillips, interchangeable. So we're gonna go ahead and get it started. Let's pop this up. Y'all can see she clean. Just got her detail. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They put a lot of grease on that stuff, though. Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and get that lower airbox changed out. Let's get to it. All right, gang. So we're gonna go ahead and get started working on this airbox. What you're gonna need is an 8mm to take this off, this one off, this one right here off. You're gonna need a flathead to take this little hose off right here. You should be good to go from there. So let's get to it. Also, you want to unloosen this one right here. Just go ahead and take that whole top piece off. So, same size, 8. Just loosen it up a little bit. Just a little clamp. Gonna go run and get the flathead. Alright guys, back with the flathead to get this AC cable off. AC hose. I'm gonna slide that off. Loosen that clamp just a little bit more. Top piece is off. It was about that time. Y'all see it? It's dirty. As you can see, the original, much bigger on the inside. A lot more airflow, plus, as y'all can see my hand, that's where that tube is going. So let's go ahead and get that removed. It should be pretty simple. Probably just pull it out. Yes, sir. Just like that. Alright guys, as you can see, the old versus the new. You're gonna need to remove this right here. And also this little grommet right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get them swapped out. Be back in a sec. Alright, I got the grommet installed. And what y'all wanna do is pull that little metal piece up and then slide the grommet out. To replace it is much easier than just trying to slide the whole thing out. And also that little grommet. So let's just drop it in there. Oh, wrong way. Might want to put the tube first, huh? Gang, I missed the most important step, taking this out. So it should be 3 little clips on the opposite end of this. I'm gonna go ahead and punch it out and show y'all the results. Got it off. Like I said, it's 3 tabs. This is a 2015, so it's probably a lot different for the newer models. But on the 2015, it's that simple. And as you can see straight through there. I'm gonna go ahead and get that interior tube taken care of, cleaned up a little bit, and get right back with you. It's cleaning it now. Let's go ahead and drop that Airbox in with the tube on it. We got action. Y'all see the tube? Straight to the box. Fits flush, I must say. Exact fitment on that 2015. Exact fitment on that 2015. So let's go ahead and bust down that K&N filter. Paper. Look at that. Look at the difference. Let's go. Yes. Fits perfect. Go ahead and get that top mounted back on. And this install should be done. guys, everything's back installed. Looks good. Can't really tell right now, but obviously that cap is gone. That tube is inside. About to test it out. Got some tissue, some blue tape. Probably only needed one little notch, but we're about to make it do. See what will happen, you know what I'm saying? Hop in now, turn it on and see what happened. Probably ain't gonna like it. Well, hell, obviously it worked. I can't even see it from the inside doing this video by myself, but hey, it obviously worked. And my neighbor probably ain't gonna like me after that, but oh well. You hear me? Let's go ahead and close shop. Yes, sir. Y'all see him?
Wow,
It's nice.
red.
So far, only difference I can tell is in the regular mode, the throttle response is a little bit better. I can say that for sure. I haven't really tested it in sport too much, but we're gonna see here in the next couple minutes. All right, gang. Throw it in sport. Get a couple pulls. See what we can do on the little street real quick. It's at 57 right now. I couldn't even catch it. Got a car right here in front of me. Got enough space right now, guys. Alright, gang, it's the next day. Turn that music off. So as you can see right now, it's at 39 degrees. Only 2 degrees off from the outside temp. It is cold out here this morning, but might see if I can do a little pull real quick, but it's cold. I ain't trying to do no slipping. Let's take out this cruise control. Slide over here to the middle. Throttle response is definitely better on that regular mode. Definitely better. Somebody trying to race. It's not a competitor though. The Odyssey